Today we are at the Hicksville. We came here at one of our Diri's house at Hicksville. So this is Hicksville, and today is a beautiful sunny day, and the fall color has already been started. So this place is near Cold Spring Harbor, and so Hicksville is a hamlet and census designated place within the town of Oyster Bay in Nassau County on Long Island, New York, USA. So, on 1834, Valentine Hicks. So he was a president on the Long Island Railroad. At that time, he bought a land in the village in 1834 and then turned it into a station stop on the LIRR in 1837. And the station became a depot for produce, particularly the cucumber, for a Heinz company plant. You know, Heinz company, we often buy the tomato ketchup from the Heinz company. So that Heinz company plant. So now, after a blight destroyed the cucumber crops, the farmers grew potatoes. It turned into a bustling New York City suburb in the building room following World War II. And then the hamlet is named for the Valentine Hicks. Okay, we came here for the birthday and Anirvanda, and it's really good being a city suburb area, especially when you come from a city like Manhattan. And we always stay inside the high sky rising buildings and all. So after coming here, the small houses, the little houses, ground, greenery, and all these kind of things are giving us so refreshing and soothing, eye soothing feelings, and it's so good to being here. And today we have, you can already see, you can see the fall color had already been started. So we have a plan to go to the Cold Spring Harbor. So the birthday does research there. So we are about to start. And now we have started from the Hicksville to Cold Spring Harbor. It's not very far, it's only 20 minutes in drive. So I have heard the road is really beautiful. So let's see how is it. color that we are going to capture. Let's see how it comes. So we have reached at the Cold Spring Harbor and the campus has already been started. It's a huge and beautiful campus. So in my next vlog, the full campus view is coming. So please stay tuned and wait for that to come, and kindly subscribe my channel to see that first. And I really found the road from the Hicksville to this place is beautiful. It's amazing, full of with fall colors. Though she used this road for her daily travel. She every day she comes through this place, but this is really amazing. And in my next vlog, I am coming with full video covering the fall colors only inside the Cold Spring Harbor campus. Please stay tuned for that and stay happy, blessed, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful time and see you all soon.